The ultimate kitchen tap. G'day, I'm Gary Mays. I get asked all the time for my honest opinion on the Taqua water filter tap. Here it is, straight. In my experience, it's the best sink mixer tap I've ever installed. We've been fitting Taqua taps at Whywait Plumbing since 2018. We've installed hundreds in that time. They're solid, they look great, and issues are rare. Most importantly, clients without fail love the delicious, clean water. Crisp taste, no bench clutter, and no lugging plastic bottles home. And yep, we've got one at home too. I wouldn't recommend it unless I've tried it in my own kitchen. If you want filtered drinking water on tap, Taqua's impossible to beat.